So I made again a few of these models available since I'm getting few requests on other social medias. Sidney is made out of the face is made out of resin with high details, and then we have the body. The body is filament, and this is the closest shape I could find. The only thing we need to do is just do some detailing, but as it is right now, it's pretty good shell for Sidney. I'm still waiting on other filaments I am trying to do or recreate. Fernando, it's probably the next available. Since we have this almost the same shell or body, it does fit the old style classic Trackmaster models. It is not for the newer version. I never work on the newer versions anyway. So I made a few of these available. Tomy and Mattel, both, I mean, all three are the same or share the same chassis, so there's no problems at all. Right, perfect fit. Okay.